This is a 2021 Ford F-150 SuperCrew Lariat blue over black leather interior. Power windows, locks and mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, trailer brake controls, push button start, remote start, navigation, satellite radio, heated and cooled seats, Bang & Olufsen audio, home link for your garage door, traction control, electronic climate control. There's a look at the rear seats, running boards, aluminum wheels, receiver hitch, backup sensors, backup camera, lockable tailgate, sliding rear window. This vehicle is four-wheel drive, powered by a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine, so it's got power. Like all pre-owned vehicles at Autonation Ford St. Pete, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.